So you're making $67 per sale. That's $1,054 off one item in less than 2 months.
Yeah, in less than 2 months. Usually when I'm doing product substitution, some people, like, if the profits are too exaggerated, they like to lower a bit. But me, I just listed 5 cents cheaper on Amazon, and this is how much it cost me, $19. That's a pretty good markup. It's like 5 times markup, like 500% markup.
Okay, what's up guys? Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to show you guys one product that Oliver found that has sold that made him over $1,000. Now we're going to go into exactly how much he made, what the profit he made on that account, on that item, what it took to find that item. So like the video, subscribe, stay to the end of the video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mark Augustine. I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011, and I love to have Oliver on the channel because he's currently dropshipping full-time from Da Nang, Vietnam, and making a full-time income dropshipping February 2026. So Oliver, before we go into the video, you want to do your own introduction?
Yeah, guys, I'm Oliver. I'm traveling since almost 2 years now. I'm French Canadian. And yeah, I'm doing that thing like e-commerce since almost 6 months now. So yeah, I'll show you guys that item that made me a lot of money in the past like 2 months.
Okay, so let's jump in.
Okay, so I'll share my screen.
So guys, if you want to reach out to any of us, I'll put some free resources in the description. There's a link to Oliver's group so you can talk to him personally. There's a link to my calendar. There's a link to all the software we use and all the free resources and so on. If you want any specific videos made, let us know in the comment section. So Oliver, yeah, go ahead.
So you can see, guys, that item is selling usually at $99, but now there's a 5% sales on all my store. And so yeah, and it has sold in 17 times in the last, I listed like almost 2 months ago, maybe a little less. So yeah, 17 times.
So in 2 months, okay. And what did it take to find this item? Is it a bulk listing item? Is it a product substitution item?
Yeah, no, that's not a bulk
listing. Do you remember?
Yeah, I don't. That's a substitution. I'm pretty sure that's a substitution. And like, there's like, this is only one example. Like, you can get like many substitution like that really profitable. And if you get a bunch, like you'll be good.
Right, and this is the interesting thing. I remember back in the day when we talk about eBay dropshipping and sniping and product substitution, the idea is to get 1 or 2 items to sell a ton of times every week, and then 1 or 2 items to sell once a week, and then 1 or 2 items to sell once a month. And you build up a inventory of items that make you a full-time income. So it's really exciting to see these items.
Yeah, really. And like, you see those items, like it's mostly like substitution, and the people really need them. Like, you don't get it sell by luck. Like, it's really product that people want at that price. So that's really important.
Let's say the average price is $97, right? Just because you're doing a 5% discount sometimes.
Yeah.
So, and how much does the item cost?
So yeah, guys, now I'll change on Amazon, and this is how much it cost me, $19. So
okay,
yeah, that's more like then that's a pretty good markup. It's like 5 times markup, like 500% markup. And yeah, me, like honestly, when I'm doing product substitution, I know like some people, like, if the profits are too exaggerated, they like to keep it, like they like to lower a bit. But me, I just listed 5 cents cheaper. Like, I don't like I don't have a strategy. Like, I just listed
wow, that's interesting to know. Thanks. That's actually really good to know. Okay, so let's see how much money you're making per sale.
So yeah.
So let's say sold price $97.
97.
And then the item cost is $19.99. And you have an eBay store.
eBay store and premium, I think so.
Wow.
And my ad rate is 2.1.
Right. So you're making $67 per sale times 17. How much is that?
So 62 here, no?
62.
Yeah, $62. So if we do that, 10,000.
That's $1,054 off one item in less than 2 months.
Yeah, in less than 2 months. I remember I listed like around Christmas. And since then, it's like, as you can see, guys, it's selling like once or twice a week, even more sometimes. Sometimes, like, one day I remember I sold it 2 times in the one day.
So you made $120 that day from that one item.
Yeah, like you said, from that one item. So those items, we love them. And
do me a favor, multiply 97 by 17. Let me see something. Okay, and then open the overview page. You sold $20,000. So that's, let's say 40,000. Go back to the calculator. So divide that by 40,000. multiply by 100. So that's 4% of all of your sales from that one item.
Yeah,
Wow.
that's great. So like if you like, yeah, sometimes it might take time to do product substitution, but if you get lucky, you can get one item like that, and like it will be like
I
it will
mean,
be
the
very
more you
profitable.
work, the high you say you use the word luck, but the more you work, the higher probability you give yourself to
Yeah,
finding those items.
yeah, exactly.
Because I'm
And
very weird about luckiness.
only by selling that item, like I remember like 1 day ago or two, I didn't have a lot like high revenue, but I sell like that item, and only by selling that item, I make like $60. Like so, my day was
Dude, you
okay. Like
pay rent for 4 months from that one item.
yeah, that's crazy. From one item, and like back like few weeks ago, I was selling about 50 items a day. Like so, and that's only one item. So yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. So now you can see product substitution works. Like if you want these type of results, you make $1,000 from one item. I mean, follow the videos. We're showing you guys for free how to drop ship on eBay and make money. This is February 2026, so this is nothing old. If you want to reach out to myself or Oliver, check out the description, like and subscribe. Yeah, Oliver, anything you want to say before we go?
Yeah, see you guys and put the work, man.
Okay, guys, have a good one.